All right, good. Would you like to do this lesson for today?
What is lesson? What is the lesson?
Internet privacy. This one, internet privacy. Would you like to do this lesson or something else?
I
can show
think
you something else. Okay. Let me quickly show you. We don't have a lot of time today, but I'd like to show you what else we could do. Let's go to short stories here. If we don't finish it today, you can finish it in your own time, okay? But I want to show you how it works. And then next time it will be quick for us to choose one and to get started. All right. So here are the short stories. You can choose any of these for today. Choose any short story and we will do it together.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell me?
Yes, I said. Is it not opening?
No, this is doing 9:34 p.m. Internet privacy.
Oh, maybe it's, oh yeah, okay. It could be because of some internet problem or because of a VPN
Fine.
issue.
Now I cannot see anything.
You cannot see anything. Okay, wait, let me do a screen share with you, okay?
Okay.
I think maybe it's, I don't know. Maybe it's the internet connection. All right, so
now
here
I
we
can
have,
see.
okay, you can see my screen. All right, so let's choose one for today. Which one do you think? Any short story here?
Can you big the screen? Okay.
Yes, okay, let me make it a little bit bigger. So there are so many.
I like to do the story last story, Dino Dick.
Okay, Dinosaur Dick. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's have a look here. It says Sonia gets a new computer game for her birthday. What will happen when she starts playing? Watch and find out. Let's first do the preparation together. So what do you think is happening here? Is it a computer or a birthday?
Sorry, can you do?
Okay, well, what is happening in this picture? Is it a birthday or a computer?
Birthday.
There we go. Okay, let's have a look. What about this one? Yeah, that's a computer, all right? Or maybe this is the computer and that is the screen and this is a game. Let's just have a look. Game. I think this one is a game, right? It's a game that they're playing on the computer. And then that one is the computer and this one is the?
Screen.
There we go.
Screen
That's the
of the computer.
Well done. What do you think this is?
This is a boy.
There we go. Let's have a look, boy. And that is a?
Dinosaur.
Perfect. And this one is a?
And bone.
That's a bone.
And last one is a run.
There we go. And that boy is running. Let's have a look. Finish. 8 out of 8. Okay, now we have to listen to this together, but I want to do something with a screen share quickly. Let me end the screen share. I'm going to do a new screen share. Sorry, just give me a second.
Okay.
Share audio. Okay, I'm going to play and I'm going to share the audio. So you have to hear what they're saying, okay? Just want to see if we have enough time. Okay, we have enough time. Let's play. Okay, listen carefully because we're going to do activities about it.
It was Sonia's birthday. She had a new game.
So Dick. Fantastic! This is just what I wanted.
Sonia decided to try her new game. She switched on the computer, put the game in and looked at the screen. A strange icon appeared. Sonia clicked on the icon. Flash!
Where am I?
Said Sonia.
You're in Dinosaur Dig.
Said the boy next to her.
We have to find old dinosaur bones.
Here's one.
Said Sonia.
Maybe I'll play a different game.
Okay. All right. So could you watch it? Could you hear everything? All right. Good. Now let's go to the game. All right. Now we have to put the sentences in order. Let's try. Okay. So which sentence do you think comes first?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Okay, so we have to put all of these sentences in order. Watch the story and put the sentences in order, right? So which sentence do you think comes first?
It was the Sonia birthday. She had a new game.
There we go. All right, which sentence comes second?
Sonia was home. No, she picked. There was a same icon. No, even this is not. She decided to try his new game.
Yeah, she clicked on the icon.
She me.
I think that this one comes at the end somewhere. Okay, so let's have a look at the others.
Okay. They here. She decided to she your skin is blurred. It's soft.
I think
Your
it should
skin
be
is soft.
maybe. How about this one? Maybe it's this one or.
Your skin is blurred. There's no skin is coming in here.
Oh, is the screen black? You can't see?
Yes.
Oh
Yes.
dear. I think it's because of the connection is cutting. Maybe the connection is not so good today. Okay, but let me read them. Okay, so it was Sonia's birthday. She had a new game. She decided to try her new game. Let's just quickly go through them. We don't have a lot of time, so we'll just put them in the correct order. She decided to try her new game. She clicked on the icon. You're in Dinosaur Dig. We have to find old dinosaur bones. She picked up a golden bone that was hidden under a bush. They heard a dinosaur roar. Sonia and the boy hid behind a bush. That will happen if the dinosaur catches us. Or what will happen if the dinosaur catches us? Well, the game is over. There was
Now
the
yes.
cyan. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. There was the same icon that she saw on her computer. Sonia touched the icon. Sonia was at home, sitting at her computer. Maybe I'll play a different game. So after that, if we go to print the story, there you can see the whole story. And if you go to, let me show you something else.
Okay.
If you go to print an activity for the story, you see that the activity is here. And at the end, it says, write and draw. What's your favorite computer game? Where does it take place? What do you have to do to win? Write about the game and the characters, rules and dangers, and draw a picture. So maybe in one lesson we could do this, right?